Among the cloud adoption drivers, the consumption-based model is key. Why would you pay for resources you are not using? Well, you shouldn't. In this video, I will show you how you can schedule the start and the stop of your Amazon Relational Database Service, in short RDS, instances. Implementing this simple no-code solution will generate significant savings simply by turning off database instance out of the working time. I'm Yann Allendy, Database Solution Architect at AWS. This is the architecture of the environment I'm demonstrating. On the right-hand side are the RDS instances, and on the left-hand side is AWS Systems Manager, which triggers the start and stop events. The setup implies 3 steps. First, we need to create a role allowing the System Manager automation to interact with the RDS instances. Second, we create a tag-based resource group that opts in the instances impacted by the start and the stop operations. Third, we create 2 maintenance windows in System Managers, scheduling the start and stop actions against the RDS instances. In short, this simple solution helps you achieving significant cost reduction by scheduling the uptime of your RDS instances only during the activity period. Thank you for watching.